Good evening, guys. Ken at Tortoise Capital, nightly strategy podcast for February 11th, 2025. Short one today. We're going to take a look at the sniper trade of the day. This is an Intel. It's in our focused area, the semiconductors. You get a gap up. The OR10 is strong. This is a 1-2-3 entry on the, if we were looking on the 3 minutes. Standard risk box. The R10 peaks. Take the exit at the skin of the dragon for about 4R. I'm noticing this one stays in a nice tight range for tomorrow. I'm looking to play a breakout north or south of that. I'll take that trade in either direction. We're going to take a look at a couple of the traders. This is Constantine. This point of interest on the higher time frames, the peak. He's got a high, a lower high. He gets the collapse. He gets a pot of two, actually. We could add a second position here on the collapsing dragon, but he works that out for a 1-2-3 exit for 4.8R. Very nicely played. Hamad does the same one. He gets 0.8, has a wider risk, but makes the same nice exit. And then from earlier today, Constantine is able to play this one in both directions. On the 3 minutes, he gets the breakout above the consolidation zone, standard risk box, 4 on the way up, 4 on the way down on the collapsing dragon. Just beautifully played. Total of 8. Nice work. Those two guys are just killing it, working together in the community of practice. I recommend the technique. The market 150, you can see that we're still in that upper third of the 30-day look back and in the middle of the 10-day look back. Getting a little choppy in here. People trying to digest the Trump. Sideways chop. It was slightly positive today in the sense that it started low and finished high. But we're right in the middle. There's no real advantage to trading inside that yellow zone. But once it breaks out of that yellow zone, I'll be ready to trade. Same thing. You see just sideways choppy all day today. Bullish normal, basically very strong and overbought long term and short term. We're riding the upper shore of the river. Volatility is showing risk on. Nothing unusual here in the Z scores of the different holding periods for the market. We're well within normal ranges. Nothing odd. Lots of Autoframers in the Dow. Had some weakness in Merck, Pfizer, Tesla. Exceptional strength here in Coke, McDonald's, JP Morgan. In the ETFs, mostly strong on the globals. Some weakness here in clean energy. Only one symbol on the Autoframer fire solver. So I think the better plays are inside the U.S. Autoframers, plenty to choose from. Microsoft, Cat, Tesla, all of them pretty good. The daily squeezes in Procter & Gamble, United Health, Walgreens, and oil. So for our energy traders out there, be ready for sharp moves. And still being dominated by the summer and the fall. Everything over the zero line is good. A mix between the haves and the have-nots. Tesla getting pummeled. I got to believe that's going to be a buy on dip opportunity here pretty soon. A lot of goodies in here. McDonald's, Cliff, Coke, Nucor, Oracle, NVIDIA. Cliff is, to me, the best possible one to turn around in the steel industry based on tariffs. And the usual suspects here in the slopes of the regression lines. The 30 is already back to high end of normal. The 90 is starting to roll back up. The 10 is looking positive. We're in a position here to make a serious run at all-time highs. This failure to fail is the theme of this market. So let's be ready for that. Steel and semiconductors. Let's go.